With the rapid development of the automobile age, the transportation structure of the people has changed radically. The shortage of resources and pollution of the environment is becoming more and more serious. And the blue sky, white cloud, and parking space has become the new type of luxury of 21st century city. The challenge already exists. At this time, a high-tech wave, Dayang Parking, set sail at the world capital city of Kite. Let blue sky and white clouds at your fingertips. Let each trip follow one's inclinations. Innovative technology, intelligent parking. Today, because of the development of the internet, the transform and innovation of traditional parking are inevitable. Stereoscopic parking, intelligent reforming is imminent. Dayang Parking Company Limited deeply implements the innovation-driven development strategy, taking product and technology innovation as the leading, sets up the specialized product research and development institution, the Provincial Mechanical Parking Equipment Engineering Technology Center, forms the Intelligent Three-Dimensional Parking Equipment Industry Technology Innovation Strategic Alliance, and establishes the School Enterprise Industry University Research Cooperation Relationship with Tsinghua University. Dayang Parking, based on cloud computing, big data, and Internet of Things technology, deepen all links in the field of intelligent parking, build the Dayang Intelligent Cloud Parking Integration Solutions, achieve the Trinity Intelligent Management of Person, Car, and Parking Space, perfecting the Intelligent Parking Management Application Service System, set up the new concept of car parking and the new benchmark of intelligent parking, promoting parking industry to open a new intelligent age. Stereoscopic multivariate. The Dayang Parking people who are brave in innovation and strive to make progress are enterprising according to diversified market demands, solving the parking difficulty by intelligent parking technology, and find new application space for the city through the design concept of go up and down, make full use of every bit of space. Dayang Parking successfully developed and launched 18 floors vertical horizontal parking system, puzzle parking, and 35 floors vertical lifting parking system, which set new parking industry records in speed and height. Dayang Parking is the first company to propose the industrial production of all-underground casting parking system in China. It has successfully developed and launched all-underground rectangular and circular vertical lifting equipment. The patented product of Jian Feng Chazhen make full use of every bit of space. Side entering, exiting, plane moving parking system is able to use the slot space perfectly. The company main products include circular vertical lifting parking system, cabinet-type vertical lifting parking system, traditional plane moving parking system, new plane moving parking system, traditional stacker parking system, new stacker parking system, bus parking system, traditional vertical lifting parking system, multi-row vertical lifting parking system, vertical horizontal puzzle parking system, pit lifting parking system, easy parking car lift, vertical rotary parking system, car elevator, car turnable, totally 9 major series and dozens types of products. All types of products have realized the function of electric car charging. It meets the different needs of parking system in the development of urban diversification. Exquisite quality, industrial cluster. 20 years of grinding of sword, the edge is exposed. Dayang Parking always adhere to quality as the center. Using high-quality raw materials, exquisite production technology, perfect gold after-sales service, to ensure that parking systems are of high precision, high speed, high utilization rate, and high safety. The company has passed the quality, the environment, the health management system, and has won the Chinese Enterprise New Record, the Chinese machinery industry famous brand product, the National Key New Product, the National Torch Plan Key High-Tech Enterprise, the China Machinery Industry Science and Technology Award, and so on, more than 10 national honor and more than 10 provincial honor. Becomes the safe parking model pioneer, the pursuit of quality, time and again, over and over again, for the persistence of the intelligent. Make Dayang Parking the leader of the intelligent three-dimensional parking system and achieve breakthrough development. Dayang has more than 300 national patents. The patent quantity, comprehensive strength ranks among the leading industry in the country. The global transformation of industry is inseparable from the industrialization of market economy and the development pattern of scale. We have Weicheng District Headquarters, Shanxi Hanzhong Branch, and Chao County Branch Office now. Set up a modern ecological village integrating sports, catering, swimming, and guest room, aiming at creating a three-dimensional parking biosphere with function perfect and world pattern. For many years, Dayang Parking has insisted on the concept of leading enterprise gathering industrial extension. The company has introduced 7 parking products and supporting enterprises with a total investment of 4 billion and a planned area of 1,200 acres as the largest parking industrial base in China. We formed a complete industrial chain of investment, consulting, parking operation, parking plus internet, and after-parking market. We realize that deep integration of finance and technology promotes the industrialization of parking, that parking entered the era of easy to park. Bright Dream, World Dayang. Limited space, unlimited parking. The power of transcendence comes from the persistence of dreams. Dayang Parking carries the infinite dream of world smart parking. Insist on the business mode of go out and bring in. Introduce domestic and foreign strategic partners diversity investment, multi-channel construction. Constantly enlarge the influence in the national and global parking industry. After more than 20 years of exploration and development, we have successfully built more than 2,000 garages. Covering 32 provinces, autonomous regions, and municipalities directly under the central government in China, including Tibet province, and established more than 200 service offices, serving the operation of more than 300,000 parking spaces, realizing localized maintenance and zero-distance service. The pace of progress never stops. Our struggle never stops. Continue to explore new green parking mode. Open a new era of intelligent parking.